Arizona Traditions Community is a charming, active adult community located in Surprise, Arizona. It offers a resort-style living experience tailored to residents 55 and older. Now, what sets Arizona Traditions apart from the Grand, Verado, or other developments is that it's a smaller community, gated with a 24-hour gate guard. And here's an overview of what makes Arizona Traditions unique. I thought I'd drive around the community so that you'd get an idea of what it's like to live behind the gates of Arizona Traditions. Arizona Traditions offers homes ranging in size and price, but making it accessible to different budgets. The homes in this community are designed with modern, low-maintenance living in mind. Because of this, you'll find homes here in the Traditions a bit smaller, yes, and closer together than other similar communities. Now, the average price in Traditions is generally around $350,000, making it an easier price to have a second home with low maintenance. Now, slow pitch baseball has always been a favorite part-time to partake in Arizona Traditions. They have a few teams and play other teams here in the West Valley. Regarding the golf, Arizona Traditions is home to an 18-hole championship golf course as well, designed by Dick Bailey. It's a pretty tight track with some minor elevations, but overall, it's a fun course to play. Now, the clubhouse. The community features a clubhouse that serves as social hub for residents. It includes a fitness center, woodworking shop, ceramics, studio, library, a ballroom, and those fabulous pools. Now, these facilities ensure that there's always something for residents to do, engaging socially and physically. Pools and recreation are the best at Arizona Traditions. They have the two great pools, and then they have a third one that I have not seen. Now, the activities, the community has a wide range of activities and clubs, from arts and crafts to fitness, making it fun for all the residents to stay engaged. So if you'd like to find out more information about Arizona Traditions or take a look at some of the fabulous homes that are on the market this winter, it would be my pleasure to help you. 602-877-7653. 602-877-7653 is where you can reach me, Shannon Biszantz, and it would be my pleasure to show you around.